gonna let it simmer?
Yeah.
Let it get cold. See you.
Mine is.
Oh, we need
We're
coconut
like
water
tasting
yet?
it.
We're tasting it. Okay. Yeah, you need coconut water.
I think I'm gonna put grapes in it.
Grapes?
You guys want grapes in yours? No.
Oh, that actually would be good. Like, I mean,
Do you want some?
I'll just try it without, and then it's been a while since I've had this.
Is it dropping for White Lotus, or is it just a?
I think it's one a week.
That's hard. I like binging. Ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. It's a fruit.
It's a fruit. Okay. You gotta slurp more.
Alright. I can do that. I like the pomegranates a lot. I need to get a couple more to get a real feel.
Nature cereal.
Nature cereal. I love that my friends eat these crazy things with me. That's good.
It's a fun idea.
It's like refreshing, you know? Like it would be a good